In the 1-minute market, you either make a quick decision or you lose money. Don't waste any more time with this strategy. Introduction. Getting excited. Hello to all the fearless and fast traders. If you are looking for a scalping ball strategy that gives signals like lightning on the 1-minute time frame, this video is exactly for you. Today, we are going to create a trading system that is not only fast but also logical and accurate by combining two of the most powerful indicators, VWAP and MACD. So stay with me until the end, because in the middle of the video, I will tell you a secret tip that few people know and can multiply your profits. Part 1. Introducing indicators. Let's first understand what we are dealing with. VWAP stands for Volume Weighted Average Price, and for professional traders, it plays the role of a GPS. This indicator shows where the price has been on average, taking into account the trading volume. In scalping, VWAP acts as the center of gravity. Whenever the price moves away from it, it is likely to reverse. Now let's move on to our second friend, the MACD. This one is a tool for measuring trend strength and market reversal points. It has two lines, the MACD line and the signal line, which when crossed together, give a buy or sell signal. Its histogram also shows the strength of the movement. Now imagine these two combined. Yes, they create a power that is great for scalping in 1 minute. Part 2. Setting up a strategy and entering a trade. Now let's get to the point. How to create an accurate strategy from the combination of VWAP and MACD. First, chart VWAP. When the price is above VWAP, we prefer to take buy positions. When it is below, we are more likely to look for sell positions. 2. Now look at the MACD. When the MACD line crosses the signal line upwards equals buy signal. When it crosses downwards equals sell signal. Thank you for liking the video. Let's go to the most important strategy from which you can learn a lot. Real-world example. Suppose the price has come down and is approaching VWAP. At the same time, the MACD has made a bullish crossover. What does this mean? It means a golden opportunity to buy. The opposite is also true. This way, many false signals are eliminated. Secret tip. When the MACD histogram is getting bigger, it means that the momentum is strong. So those moments are the best time to enter. Part 3. Risk management and exit. Now that you have entered the trade, remember, a professional trader always trades with a stop loss. Set the stop loss slightly below the previous low. Set the take profit limit either to a ratio of 1 to 2 or where the MACD gives a reverse signal. To exit, when the MACD line and the signal line cross each other again in the opposite direction of the original, without it being time to exit the trade. Not many people take this part of the strategy seriously, but that is exactly the difference between a professional trader and a novice trader. Summary plus final CTA. Did you see? A fast, accurate, and powerful strategy for scalping on the 1-minute time frame. The combination of VWAP and MACD is not only simple, but also works great in volatile markets. If you like this tutorial, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next tutorial. Tell me in the comments, what indicator do you usually use for scalping? Maybe I'll make the next video based on your comment. Thank you for watching the video so far. I hope you can make the most of it. Watch the video related to the strategy.